Hey everyone, I'm super excited to show you how to create a talking avatar using AI tools. In this video, I'll explain step by step how to create your AI character and transform it into a talking avatar. So guys, no more wasting time, let's dive right in. First, I have a quick request. Please subscribe to my channel. We share awesome YouTube and tech-related content that you'll love. Now let's get started. I've divided this video into two parts. Part 1, how to create an AI character and animate it. Part 2, how to turn it into a talking avatar. Alright, let's jump into creating an AI character using CArt AI. First, open your web browser and search for cart.ai. You'll land on the main page of the website. To get started, you need to register, because we'll need credits to create our awesome designs. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just sign up using your Google account. Boom! Now that we're registered, let's create our AI character. Follow my steps closely to make your own unique character. First, click the Create button and select the Create Image option. You'll see the image creation page pop up. Now we need a prompt to create our character. Wondering how to find the best prompts? It's simple. I've shared a link to my Telegram channel in the video description. There, you'll find all the prompts I use in this video. I've included 4 prompts: USA male, USA female, Indian male, and Indian female. Just copy the prompt you like and paste it into the prompt section. Next, tweak a few settings. Select the CArt Infinity model and change the image ratio to 16:9. Then hit the Generate button and wait a few seconds for your AI character to come to life. Yes, our AI character is ready. Now let's download it by clicking the download icon and saving it to your computer. Awesome! Part 1 is done. Now let's animate this character. Here's how to do it. Go back to the Create option and choose Make Videos. You'll see an interface pop up. Now upload your AI character by following my steps. Once your character is uploaded, you'll need a prompt to animate it. Just like before, grab the animation prompt from the Telegram link I provided. Copy it, paste it into the prompt section, and click Generate. Voila! Your animated AI character video is ready. Download it using the Download button. Alright, we've nailed the first part of this video. Now let's move to part 2, creating a talking avatar. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your Play Store or App Store and search for Dreamface. You'll see the app appear. Click the download button to install it on your phone. Once it's downloaded, open the app. Ready? Follow my steps to create your talking avatar. Click the Lip Sync Video option. You'll see an interface open up. Now select the avatar option and import your animated video from your gallery. After uploading, add your script to the script section. Don't have a script? No problem. You can upload a voiceover instead. Just follow my steps to add your voiceover. Once your voiceover is uploaded, hit the Animate button to generate your video. When it's done, download your talking avatar video by clicking the download icon. And there you have it, your very own talking avatar.
Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clone your voice using an AI tool. This AI tool confused me because this AI voice cloner is fully free.
Wow guys, wasn't that fun? In this video, we learned how to create an AI character using CArt AI, animate it and transform it into a talking avatar with the Dreamface app. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the prompts in my Telegram link to create your own awesome avatars.